Hello, good morning students. Today our topics is compound interest. With using formula of compound interest. You know that kinds of interest. There are two kinds of interest: simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest, it is the additional money besides the original money paid by the borrower to the money lender. And compound interest, there are two kinds of interest: simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest, this is the additional money besides the original money paid by the borrower to the money lender, bank, financial agency, etc. And compound interest, when your additional money or simple interest not paid by the borrower at the end of year, then this money added to original money, and for next year this is the principal money. And when you give interest at this additional money and principal money, your second interest is called as compound interest. For first year, simple interest and compound interest are same, but more than 1 year, for 2 years or more than 2 years, these are different. Your formula is simple interest. Simple interest is denoted by P R T upon 100, where your P is principal money, R is equal rate, and T is equal time. Okay, and this, according to this, you can find compound interest using this simple interest formula. And how you gain direct compound interest with formula. So this formula is denoted by compound interest in the conditions of compound interest. Your formula is A is equal P into 1 plus R upon 100 to power n, where A is equal total amount, P is equal principal money, and R is equal rate, T is equal, N is equal number of time. Use this formula. And compound interest CI is equal A minus P. Use this formula and find the compound interest. Okay, and you find direct compound interest by this formula here. Direct formula CI, compound interest, is equal P into 1 plus R upon 100 to power n minus 1. This is a direct using formula for compound interest. Total amount is equal principal money. Total amount is equal principal money plus compound interest, where P is the principal money. And this is your compound interest. Okay. When interest rate is annually, you use this formula, and when rate is half yearly, then according to questions you have R is half and time is twice. Similarly, when rate is quarterly, then R is 1/4 and time is 4 times. According to questions, you use this formula. For example, I solve your questions. Here your questions. Find amount and compound interest on a sum of rupees 15,625 at 4% per annum for 3 years, compounded annually. Here, according to questions, P is equal principal money. P is equal 15,625. R is equal 4% per annum. Number of time 3. According to questions, you have this. You have formula. A is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 to power n, where A is equal amount, P is equal principal, R is equal rate, R is equal time. Given these terms, you have A is equal 15,625, 1 plus value of r 4 upon 100 to power 3. Here A is equal 15,625 into 4 1 ja 4, 25. You have 1 plus 1 upon 25 to power 3 is equal into, after solving you have 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. Okay, here cut this, solve. Here you have, after solve this, 25 cube is equal this, and you have 26 into 26 into 26, multiply this, you have find here 17,576 rupees. It is your total amount. And compound interest CI is equal A minus P is equal 17,576 minus principal money 15,625 is equal 1,951 rupees. It is your answer. Compound amount is equal, you have 17,576 rupees, and compound interest is equal 1,951 rupees. Here it is your answer. Your next question is, you have